Go now.
Just get the hand. Go
Hi
down
everyone.
Okay, go down there.
My name is Emma, and I'm pretty, and I can dance. Ready? Okay. Can you do the can you do the can you do the can? Yay!
Wait.
Okay, now you gotta do some of the stuff you did before because
walk
I didn't
back.
get it.
Okay, ready?
Okay, let me do it this way. You go back a bit.
Okay.
Back up, right? Back further. Back further. There we go.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
What now?
Now walk towards me.
I can't take it off Zoom. Too close. That looks weird. Okay. What else can you do?
I don't know. I can do
Split.
the splits when I'm not wearing my belt.
Okay.
Okay, let me take off my belt. Okay. Ta-da!
That's very good.
Any editing?
Ow, that looks like it hurts. It's great to have that beer box in the picture. Okay. Run towards me, quick!